Hi everyone, so for something a bit different that I don't do very often, I decided that I would do a grocery haul today as I've just had an Ocado delivery and I thought I would share. Might not be that interesting, but I quite like watching these, so I thought I'd do one too. So starting off with like cold kind of stuff, I got one of these roast in the bag chickens that you basically just throw straight in the oven as it is. I'm going to do a roast at some point this week and then just have kind of chicken leftovers for other stuff. I have also got chicken breast fillets here, which I'm going to make a pasta dish that I've shared the recipe for before, which is pasta and chicken and double cream and spinach and a whole bunch of other yummy stuff. I'll link the recipe below if you're interested. Just for kind of general snacking, some salsa and some tzatziki. Double cream, as I said, for that chicken pasta recipe. I saw this when I was browsing and apparently it's new, so salted caramel cheesecake ice cream, which I absolutely didn't need but sounded delicious. Also, this I saw, I think I saw it in a food magazine. This is Rachel's Greek style strawberry and Marc de Champagne yogurt, so we'll see how that is. At some point I'm going to make katsu. I've got some breaded chicken already in the freezer, and so I thought I'd have a go at like a little Wagamama at home type deal. Sausages and chipolatas and prosciutto to go as pigs in blankets with the roast. Lazy gravy also for the roast. Goose fat for roast potatoes. I saw this, which I'm going to struggle to show you. It's I'm guessing that's Freixenet ice rosé. So apparently it's rosé that you have on ice. So we'll see what that's like. What is that? Sugar-free bitter lemon, just for general drinking. Peach Coke Zero, which is my new favourite thing. I love anything peach, and so yeah, I drink Coke Zero or Pepsi Max rather than diet. So got some of that. Potatoes for the roast, magic erasers for cleaning because I've run out, spinach for the pasta recipe, broccoli and carrots to go with the roast, and then what's left is really just like crap food. So I've got some of these Butterfinger mini cups because they're yummy, a couple of bags of tortilla chips just because I eat those a lot, pasta also for the pasta thingy, Dolmio stir-in pepperoni and tomato just for a lazy dinner. Waffles, toffee waffles, which are normally called something else and I can't remember the name of them right now. But you know these are the waffles with caramel in that you put on the top of a coffee cup and they go all chewy. New kind of Kit Kats. These are lemon drizzle, which have just come out. I haven't tried them, but I like a Kit Kat. It's a good snack. It's a relatively low calorie for the badness snack, so we'll see what those are like. And then the last two things were just random that I threw in the basket right at the end. These are the Hartley's 10 calorie jellies. I got key lime pie and black forest gatto. And that's basically it. It isn't a massive order, but it's not like I'm feeding a whole family or anything, so this is just bits and pieces that will tide me over for a couple of weeks. That's it. If you like these videos, please let me know. If you don't like them, please let me know just to give me some feedback on them, and I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching.